So hello creative people, let me hope we are doing well and great. So in our previous video we talked about buying courses, and we went ahead and tried to understand, okay, and I was like telling you that it is better like if you open up an account on Udemy. So what do you need to open up an account on Udemy? Udemy is one of the course sites, okay, where you can buy a course for lifetime, okay, and you can study it, okay. But I'm not saying that when you buy a course it should take you a lifetime for you to study. Let it take you days or weeks, okay. So now why do we need to like subscribe to their email list? Because they keep reminding you, because at times as humans you may relax, okay, thinking that maybe you have learned something, or you keep up doing that same. Once you learn something, so you're like reluctant, so they keep sending you notifications and like reminding you, let me go here, you are making great progress. Are you saying that? So on one of my courses where like I reached a time and like relaxed a little bit, are you seeing they are showing me that I've completed 24%? Learning takes you places. Continue your course now and get closer to your goals, okay. And when I click this continue learning, it takes me direct, okay. So they are sending this on my email or to my email, okay. Now this one that I completed, let me show you. So they are saying new promotional announcement. Hey Nyenje, an announcement has been made from Alex, instructor of Ultimate Blender 3D character creation and animation course. This is a wonderful course, you people. You should buy this guy's course. Hey, here is the newest course that I have put out. It goes over everything you need to know about simulations, physics and particles in Blender. Click here. So they also gather your email to market you, okay. So when I get to this further, I may buy this guy's course, because his course, the first one I studied, it was simple, understandable, and hitting to the bone. So I learned a lot of stuff from his course, so I would go for his course. If you ever need any help or have questions about anything, just let me know. Also, the new Blender contest starts on May 1st, okay. So I'm keeping updated, okay, by themselves, okay. So you have received this was receiving card paper details. I'll be showing you. I wanted to show you like how I bought Udemy instructor Alex. I've witnessed that, we've watched that. Envato Udemy, the complete full stack. Are you seeing? Okay, the complete full stack web development bootcamp, okay. So they are even marketing to you. If you're interested, you can go there. Alexander, address not found. Here is the 6-digit verification certificate, okay. Your completion certificate is ready. Are you seeing this? So here is my certificate that they rewarded me for completing that guy's course that we started with. So far I've read his messages. Marketing, that is the Ultimate Blender 3D character creation and animation course, okay. Your completion certificate is ready for Ultimate Blender 3D character creation and animation course, okay. So view the certificate. I want you to see that it is basically real. So I can download the certificate from here, okay. So here's my certificate. Ultimate Blender 3D character creation and animation course. Nyenje Isaac. It was earned in March 16th, 20. Let me scale it. Instructor is Alex Codebird. Nyenje Isaac. Date is March 16th, 2025. Okay, length, it was 35 hours, total hours. Okay, but I took, was it 2 weeks or a month to study this full course? This certificate above verifies that Nyenje Isaac successfully completed the course Ultimate Blender 3D Character Creation and Animation on March 16th, 2025, as taught by Alexander Kodbad on Udemy. The certificate indicates the entire course was completed as validated by the student. The course duration represents the total video hours of the course at time of the most recent completion. Okay, so that is my certificate. Okay, so for all of you who are like, is this real? And these are the serials, the reference number, certificate URL. So I can even share this and you see the certificate. Okay, so but there is no need. Okay, the need is for you to understand that this is actually real. So, and they are showing me the course here. Sure. So are you seeing the price? The price is 74.99. But I told you that if you hold on, okay, so if you hold on and wait to see, okay, and wait to see, there are more, they like go ahead and chop the price down, okay, so you could buy that at a lower price, okay. Yeah, he's communicating. What is he saying? Hey Blender family, we just finished our third Udemy Blender contest. Well done to the winners and all those who participated. The next contest will be in May 1st. If you want to increase your skills and knowledge for the fourth contest, now is the time to grab a course. Use any of the special limited time below. Okay, so he was marketing that course, so participate. There is this one also, it is a good course. This guy is a good tutor. Let me have some proof of the payment if I can get it here. Get started. Okay, the message. Okay, here, order complete, start learning now. Okay, are you seeing learn 3D? Are you seeing this? Order completed, complete, order complete, start learning, learn 3D, learn 3D character animation. I think that is the course. I bought it from learn 3D character animation from scratch. I bought it $9.99. That is roughly $10. Let me see. This is the course I started with. Mark this word. Okay, learn 3D character animation from scratch. Let us go back. The course I started with here, where they were reminding me, Isaac, you are getting, Isaac, you are making progress. You have come so far already. So I think this is the course. Learn 3D character animation from scratch. Are you seeing it? So when we go to, let me go back to the receipt and show you something. Learn 3D. Okay. Let me go back to here and type in learn 3D. I don't want to pass on directly Udemy, whatever they will charge me, more data. Animation Blender from scratch. Are you seeing? So learn 3D animation, the ultimate Blender training guide. Okay, it is not that one. Learn from scratch. Okay, let me select all and copy it, so that when I never wanted to go direct to Blender, but there is no way out. Let me see. Okay, so if I put in search to Udemy, this is Udemy, not Blender. So I type that. I want to show you the actual price, what I'm actually talking about. Are you seeing that? So here's the course. Right now it is on 10.99. Are you seeing that? So that is actually the price, but the actual price was 34.99. Okay, then the first one I started was 74.99. I bought it at $9 too. So when you sign up, they keep on, at times towards the end of the month, they keep on reducing the prices, maybe for many people to buy. Okay, so please feel free to join this YouTube channel so that you get more knowledge. You get more knowledge about how to forego stuff, okay, and earn, okay, from the content that you happen to create. Thank you for watching. Endeavor to see that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.